Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Apple Pay on Apple Watch. Now first you need to actually add it right there. So you go to your wallet app on your Apple Watch, okay? And then click on these three dots, tap on add card, and you choose your Apple account, okay? Debit or credit card, transit card, whatever it is, right? And then you follow the on-screen instructions. And then you go to your wallet app on your Apple Watch, tap on these three dots, tap on default card, select a card. Then what you do, you just go ahead and double click the side button, scroll and choose a card, and you just hold the Apple Watch within a few centimeters of the contactless card reader with basically the display facing the reader, okay? And you'll hear a gentle tap and beep confirmation that the payment information was sent. You'll receive a notification, okay, in the notification center when the transaction is confirmed. Really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.